car meet, but the biggest car meet of the year.
All these niggas come out this bitch, come on, I got a gas around, whole car, I'm going when it's time to slide, these niggas don't get out there.
Oh my God!
Wait, say it again, what happened?
I'll put FRT, man, on them out.
And he go AP rolling with you on him.
I slide most of these better than most of these niggas with ABAs. Hold on, who?
Hey, go on. In 8 years, a nigga still ain't fucked me yet.
What it do, Courtside family? What we attempting today, tonight, 4th of July, we trying to throw the biggest car meet of the year. Not no regular car meet, but the biggest car meet of the year. Started at 8. 8, you here right now, as you see, it's empty. It's just us here, me and my nigga Bread. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But give it a little time, we gonna see what it's talking about. Hopefully next time I'm tuning it in, DB is jumping. But to the end though, I'm tapping in with y'all.
We all went to Party City, we done went to the wrong place and shit, everybody probably going over there. Man, who the hell told y'all Party City? I don't even know why I even went there. I put the low on there. Oh, shot your girl my time.
Man, I know the fuck going on, Camaro like 251 them motherfuckers, you know the little pink shit motherfucker.
Yes sir, yes sir. Shot your girl, oh yeah, get him there. Shout out.
Everybody know who this is, man.
Everybody know who that is.
Man, like Chuck, man, y'all know what the fuck going on, man.
Mr. Crash out himself.
But we need that nigga to pull up with them speakers, bro, in that big ass truck. His ass be everywhere. Hell yeah. His ass be everywhere else. His ass need to bring his ass out here.
They got so many cars, boy.
They wanna call me that, everybody.
He told me they want to call me that,
Everybody
man.
wanna call me that. Alright, we here right now. You can look down now.
Hell no, man.
Over there in the club, but he can't really do us nothing right now. We just chilling. It's a couple more people here. Sean for it. There's a couple more people here. We trying to wait till it gets a little deeper. They chilling. He a bar and shit. What's going on, man? The car show ain't jumping all the way, but it's talking about a little bit something. They already throwing firecrackers, stripping and stuff like that. I'm finna walk around, meet up with some of my folks, let you meet them, let you meet their cars, see what's going on, man. My nigga Bread, you already know this is. We already met with my nigga Bread right here. My nigga Corn, doing a little something, we getting out. Follow me over here. There you go. My nigga Hood Stir. Say what up to the vlog, man. Yes, sir.
First of all, look behind the camera a bitch, gang. I swear
That's who's shooting all the flames, y'all. No, they shooting. Now we come over here with my RS brothers. Gon' shot your shit out, bro. Check out the rap. Hey, the rap behind it. Yeah. Okay, man. I know what the fuck going on. Camaro life up in this bitch. You know, Camaro like 251.
But I forgot
You
you
feel me?
call
Car right here, you know, it's that bad motherfucker. You see
Old
the
man
content,
take a car like baby boy. Old man got a charge of Melvin.
We got brother out of commission right here, but he come.
Yeah, I'm out of commission, bro. But I
I got so much lean on me, I feel like
Michi,
more.
no, underscore that Michi one.
Probably a free man.
Yes, sir,
They
Steve.
gon' check that Sanchez like
Where we at right now? This shit might not.
Niggas
don't like these. Oh, this just the load. This just this just the load up spot right here. This just the load up spot right here. As long as nobody decoy, we should be good. Let's just make sure it's like that.
They don't do me like though.
Like I said, as long as nobody decoy, that nigga should be. We should be good.
Geico can even help that, so I feel my coat with medicine. Like maybe I feel better than. Feel my bag with Percocet. The hoe be telling me drink a lot of water when she got around the
We still should be
few moments later.
Yo, hit the lights so y'all can see me, building. We got shut down because them young niggas and did decoy. Like I said, hopefully they wouldn't do, but they did. We on the way to the next location, Party City. When we get there, I don't really care what happens because I'm probably gonna slide when I get out there. So whatever happens from this point though. But I'm feeling good though. How you feeling, Freddie?
Feeling good.
Feeling amazing. We having a good 4th of July right now. No decoy stuff, no jail time, no wreck cards. Everything's success right now. Y'all tune in, y'all tap in, man. Let's do it.
Take the yellow in the fucking Sprite and I'm gon' mix it. Popping all these pills, sipping drink, got me in my feelings. Why you talking like you fucking trapping? You ain't even dealing. I know a lot of real killers who be out here really killing. I'm a real sipper, nigga. I don't do no fucking spilling. Take my stick everywhere I go. Fuck, I look like slipping. Take a drink, hit it with him. He ain't know I hit him. I'm a slimy nigga, but I'm a real nigga. Sorry, my love, taking drugs and make me feel different.
Hey man, you gonna slide or what, bro? What you gonna do? What you gonna do, Debo?
Debo, you ain't gonna do it.
What Debo? Oh, he got the burner wheel on for a reason.
I know they claim killers still a pop a perk when I get 6. Who in the lane, niggas gotta keep some real one in the mix. Not the same bitches trying to fuck, but now they saying we lie. I got action. I'm popping shit I never thought I would, at least I can. I told her I was gonna put them in the wood, and that's what happened. Keep it real, you see, that's when they treat you like a fake. I don't believe that you're a trapper, you're an actor. I feel it over
Wait, say it again. What happened?
I'll put FRT
Man,
on them out.
shout out to
In
Grandma.
Mobile, Alabama, man.
Shout out to Grandma so they can know.
Who is C5, man? I'll kill everybody out this whole slide.
Where your shit at then?
All these niggas come out this bitch talking about I got a fast car, car on go. When it's time to slide, these niggas don't get out there in the pit.
It ain't a nigga in Mobile that can fuck with me in the pit on Jesus Christ.
He just talking. He just talking. He just talking.
I'll kill you.
Somebody give me some time. Give me some
I'll
fucking
kill
time.
both of y'all this line. Y'all niggas ain't rolling back. Y'all niggas ain't sliding on the back. Y'all ain't sliding on the back. Y'all niggas ain't sliding on the back. These niggas sliding brown. Man, we ain't seen that nigga slide in 8 years. He talking to you. Hey, get what though? Get what? In 8 years, a nigga still ain't fucked me yet.
It's safe to say we did it right here. And my young nigga in the cut. And he go AP rolling with you, and he go rolling. Say we did it right here. Can't lie. She overly going on. We overly in that song going on. Say me and my nigga Fred did. My nigga bullshit. Police don't know we need it.
He talking about
Police don't know we need it. So we thuggin'.
He talking about no offense to the bro. This the bro, he got an RS, but besides him, ain't nobody fucking with me in this slide shit with an RS. Well, VC, I slide most of these better than most of these niggas with V8. Hold on,
I just got out here. Y'all gonna see quick.
They see in my line?
I'm learning though. Give me about 2-3 more months. Nobody ain't gonna be fucking with me. Facts.
Y'all know I'm straight back. Y'all gonna see me in that cat real soon. You on YouTube. I ain't trying to be on that. He's so deep. You remember that squad game?
This the aftermath, bro. We aftermath at Clark gas station right now.
I'm like, no, let me tell y'all. Like, these niggas be getting at this bitch. To my old more party, I got a fast car. Whoop, whoop, whoop. When it's time to slide, when it's time to race, these niggas be parked. What the fuck wrong with these niggas? Like,
She said y'all ain't talking about nothing. Y'all gotta step it up.
And she shiced it up.
And
I want a nigga to come fuck. Hey, I'm like, you see Nike? Wait, Nike. Wait, Nike.
And she popping. But they ain't blamed up the car show, bro. So we here at Mexico, bro. We really I still got my nigga Big Wheel.
No, we with the vibes, man.
So y'all just let me know if y'all want to see some more car show content, some more car content, and y'all want me to rap this, tin it, do whatever y'all want me to do with it. Let me know something. If y'all messing with the cars, let me know something. It's gonna be more of this to come, man. But if I don't see y'all no more this big, I'ma catch y'all on the next course side family out.
Hey.
First off, she said I'm crawl hard, I went and caught the bus down.